A blessed Friday to everyone. Another day, another vlog. So, the vlog for today is a $50 challenge or under um, gift toy for yourself, for me, and for the kids. This challenge is a $50 challenge, okay? And I show you kung ano yung nabili ko sa $50 or under. But this is under. Let's start to small things. This I got it. Avengers. See? Avengers. Avengers, Panthers, and Captain America. I have here the Superman, another Superman. See, it's cute. I love Superman, the movie, and another Superman, the latest Superman from DC, and say, and then I got the Pow Patrol, and another Superman. Okay, let's start this. Oh, small. The Avengers first. Okay. Let's start the Avengers. Panthers. Since Panthers. Okay. Buksan na natin. Let's open it. Okay. Open it. Paano po siya? Ang hirap. Ayan. Oh, small thing. Additional to my collection. See? Oh my God. Nalahulog. Teka lang po. Baka mawala eh. Kainin pa ng aso. Okay. Yusin natin ang aking... Okay. That's it. Para makita nyo. Ayan. Huwag nyo na makita yung aking face value. Baka maalibadbaran kayo. Joke. Anyway, face is face. May value naman yan. Okay. How di Carabao. Labas ka dyan. How di Carabao. Okay. Alright. Lagyan natin naman para good. This is it. Pansit. Ito po ay ano to? Sa kamay. See? Ang cute, no? Very light lang siya. So, yan. So, here, si Captain America. America. This is the shield. This Captain America sa Avengers, din nga pala to si Chris Evans. Iba na to. Sino ba tong actor na gumanap ng Captain America sa Avengers? Si ano to eh, si Itim, Black. What is the name of that? Comment below kung sino pangalan ko, yung gumanap ng Captain America sa Avengers. Ay, mahirap ko. Alright, ito po siya. Yung Avengers na to, kilala nyo po ba siya? What is the name of the actor? And below, so the name and actor of Avengers. This one, the Captain America. Saan ba siya? Ilalagay kanan ba? This is it. Pansit. Tanggal naman yung kanyang anyway, natatanggal yung kanyang oops, baka matumba. Lumaban ka. Laban. Okay, and that's it for that. And then she's Superman again. Superman. Oh. Hello. Ito siya. Ito yung kanyang ay, yan. Yung robot. Yan. Pero ayaw niyang tumayo. So, lagyan mo natin dyan. Ayaw niyang tumayo. The next is a Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. And then another Superman. Ito yung Superman na pang kids talaga. Nalalaroin talaga nila. But kahit na lolo na tulad ko, pwede maglaro naman. Nakatali kasi. Kaya kinupit ko na. Alam madali. Taran, taran! Is Superman. Superman. Ta-da. Superman. Superman. And then, higahan muna natin siya. After this, here's the half body of Superman. Another Superman. Um, and like this for the table. Para if you have a table office in your home, pwede mo ilagay ito. Isang art collection. Collection. Collect. Ang ganda. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's tabi-tabi muna kayo, mga pau-pau. Darating na ang ating superhero. Just like this, Superman. See? Superman. That's my $50 challenge and under. Okay? Thank you for watching. And please like and make comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. A blessed day to all of you.